Hello ladies, welcome to Brably. As you know, this is a place where we talk about all matters concerning bras. And for today, we will be talking about best bra for Cup Overflow. Now, finding a bra that is both supportive and matches your style doesn't have to be a tricky affair just because you are a Capo DD or higher. For years, a durable lacy, triangle, and strapless bra were a preserve of women with small cups. However, today, there are various lingerie brands that offer full bust women the same beautiful bra choices as their small counterparts. If your bra cups overflows, this usually means that you are wearing the wrong size bra. With a properly fitting bra, the breast will fit comfortably in the cups with no overflow or spillage. If your breast bulges and spills out of the bra, or if the bra is wrinkling, this could mean that the cup size is too small for you. Alternatively, it could be that the bra is cut too low for the size of your breast. Now, when deciding between how much coverage you need, think about the shape of the breasts. Breasts that are fuller and rounder at the top will need more coverage than breasts that are firmer at the bottom. For the latter, balconets will work, while for the firmer, full coverage styles are recommended. Now, look for full or 3/4 coverage bras and you can say goodbye to front spillage. Here are a few helpful tips for solving bra cup overflow issues. Number 1, if your bra cups are too full, get a bra with a bigger cup size. For example, you can increase the cup letter size by 1. Try a cup size larger or even 2. So, if you are a D, try a double D or an E. Another tip is to remeasure your cup size. Now, check the video in the description for the correct way of measuring your bra size at home. You can also adjust your bra. Make sure that the bra straps are not too tight, not too loose. Also, the bra band should sit comfortably across the back and it shouldn't ride up or dig in. You can also try increasing the band size of your bra by 2 inches. For example, 40 to 42. This should help the underarm over spillage. And also, a larger band size will have a larger cup size. Next, try increasing both the cup size and the band size together. Finally, choose a different bra style. For example, opt for a full cup or fuller shaped bra that gives more coverage rather than a balcony shape. You can also try a bra with a higher center go. Now that you know how to stop cup overflow problem, let's look at some of the best bras that addresses the issue. At number 1, we have the Prima Donna Madison Full Cup Bra. Now, the Prima Donna Madison Full Cup Bra is a 3-section underwide bra with an extra deep cup. At the front, the bra has an elastic lace that hugs your calves while the lower cups have a pattern that looks fresh. The sturdy cups are deep and lift the breast to give you a sexy look. The cups also shape the breasts, creating a smooth and round look. Secondly, we have the Ula Viola Bra. The Ula Viola Bra is detailed in shimmery microfiber fabric and beautiful floral prints. This bra cups mold to the shape of your breast while providing invisible support and a seam-free appearance. The bra has wide padded straps that are comfortable and don't dig in. This bra, made of beautiful soft fabric, is perfect for everyday wear. Moving along on our list, we have the Ula Carmen underwire bra with panel. Now, the Ula Carmen bra is a must-have for a large cup-sized women. This bra has detailed breathtaking embroidery and a small fabric panel at the top of the cup for extra support. Wear this elegant bra to unlock your killer calves. Ula Kamen is truly a beautiful bra that is so comfortable, such that you won't feel like you're wearing anything. The bra has an extra strip of fabric across the top that prevents that annoying boob spillage above the cup. We also love the fact that the bra is not too wide at the back. And lastly on our list, we have the Ilomi Kate Wire-Free Bra. The Ilomi Kate Wire-Free Bra offers the support of a wired bra with the comfort of a wire-free option. Detailed embroidery embellishes the cups and adds a sophisticated touch to the bra. This bra features a sheer mesh upper cup for coverage and hold, where the satin cups lift and support your bust. You don't want to take off this comfortable bra. No matter what type of breast you have, you can wear whatever bra style you like, provided it fits you well. The key to bra bliss is in finding the right fit for your body. Always go for a well-known bra band like the ones we've mentioned in this video. Also, take good care of your bras. Machine laundering can cause the material and padding to wear faster and lose shape. Now, thank you for watching this video for today. If you have any questions concerning the bras we've just covered today, please let us know on our comment section below. Also, do not forget to like and to subscribe on our YouTube channel. We love you. Until next time. Bye, ladies.